This looks as if I'm actually recording Ed. Oh, I am!
No, it's deep river.
Deep ravine. Here.
I was about to fucking say that.
That made me crazy!
What's this? How do you zoom in?
Did you stop that?
One.
Take it in.
Okay.
How do you zoom in?
Doesn't matter, just go!
How do you zoom in?
Come on!
How do you zoom in? Oh dear.
That's my
Shouldn't have
time.
done that, Sam. That was bad.
Stand up. Get in front, it's better from the front so you can see my foot.
Get a frontal in.
Oh! Fuck you. Oh, Ed!
Come on.
Oh, no, yeah! Do the flop side.
Fucking hell.
It's not.
It's spot.
Fuck, thanks, Sam.
Everything's
Oh,
fine.
you fucked up.
No, I used to be a chemical engineer.
Can I just go because I'm the lightest and won't break
It's the muddiest tractor I've ever seen, including real life boys.
No.
What time is it going now?
Remember that bit in The Simpsons? Have you seen it?
Oh yeah,
Drops the
it flips
pencil.
over.
He drops the pencil and it explodes.
Oh no,
He's creeping. I think he's creeping downstairs in his house, trying not to wake anyone up, and like everything's like amplified. And he drops the pencil and it explodes.
Have you seen the one where like this kind of car, it like slowly crashed into the water, goes boom, it flips over and explodes. Oh, brilliant.
I'm going to buy one.
It's an ambulance actually.
So we can let one from
Oh,
the
yeah.
I did this shit. I used to be a cameraman when I was 9! 9!
Whoa! Oh, wow. Oh, there's
Aerial view, aerial view!
Put on some music at the
Aerial
same time.
non-bio view.
Put on some music.
Stop! I just...
There, is that another one? There, James, you go. This is that one over there.
Go! Early take off. Look at the tires! Oh, it's all falling apart now.
Holy fuck! Oh, beast! See that?
Can still use it.
So how do you think that went then, Sam?
I better press it down there if you know what I mean.
It's like a snowmobile now.
Look. Look at this.